In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Xero to find the right connector and how to complete the setup, so your spreadsheet work becomes faster and more reliable. Before we jump in, quick context. You'll want to be signed in to your Xero account and have permission to install apps for your organization. If you don't see the options I mentioned, your user role may be limited, so check with your account administrator. Also, keep in mind that some marketplace apps have free trials or paid plans, so review pricing and terms as you go. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look for the small grid icon, often called the App Launcher. It appears in the main navigation bar. Click that grid icon to open the menu that gives you access to additional Xero tools and resources. From that menu, choose Open Xero App Store. This takes you to Xero's marketplace, where you can browse and install apps that connect to your Xero data. The store will typically show results tailored to your region and organization, which helps surface the right options. In the App Store search bar, type the word Excel. Press Enter to see the connectors that integrate Xero with Microsoft Excel. You'll notice a variety of options. We're focusing on a connector built to pull live financial data directly into your spreadsheets, so you can analyze, report, and refresh without manual exports. Find and click EXL Cloud by XLC. This listing explains how the connector works, what data it can access, and how it brings information into Excel. Take a moment to review the overview, features, and any notes about compatibility or plan limits, so you know what to expect. On the apps page, follow the instruction provided there. The on-screen prompts will guide you through authorizing the connection between your Xero organization and the app. Typically, that includes confirming the correct organization, granting the requested permissions, and completing any quick setup steps so the connector knows what to sync. Read the permission details carefully to understand which areas of your Xero data the app will access, and make sure you select the correct organization if you manage more than one. When the setup is complete, the app will confirm that the connection is active and provide guidance on using the connector with Excel. Keep those notes handy. They'll show you how to refresh data and which functions or templates the app supports. That's it. You opened the app launcher, went to the Xero App Store, searched for Excel, selected EXL Cloud by XLC, and followed the instructions on the listing to connect. You're ready to streamline your reporting workflow in Excel with accurate, up-to-date Xero data.